get back to the mercy of the mother. That mercy is unique, it's amazing. And that's why there is a great reward to return the favor. When someone does good to you, you're supposed to be doing goodness back to them. هَلْ جَزَاءُ الْإِحْسَانِ إِلَّا الْإِحْسَانِ. Is the recompense of goodness anything besides goodness? That's a question asked in the Quran. Which means, if you want to recompense someone who did good to you, you have to do good back to them. And I normally say to people, in this world that we're living in today, we don't really need the return favor as much as we simply need them not to harm us. There was a time when we used to say your friends are those who help you. Now we say your friends are actually those who don't harm you, right? Because sometimes you do good to someone, people are quick to forget. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us ease, grant us goodness, Ameen. My brothers, my sisters, when we develop ourselves and when we understand the purpose of our existence on earth, over and above worshipping the Almighty and preparing for the day that we meet the Almighty, we must refine ourselves. I am here this evening to tell you, you need to promise yourself that you will be the best version of you from this day on, because you don't have much time left on earth. You have to leave a mark. You have to leave a legacy. You have to understand what is the divine wisdom. You are here not only to worship the Almighty, but at the same time to acknowledge and respect and fulfill the rights of the rest of the creatures of the same Almighty. That's amazing. People say, I love Allah, I love my Maker, I pray, I give charity, I actually fast, I've been for Hajj, I do a lot of good deeds, I stay away from a lot of bad. But you know what? If you have hurt people's feelings, you treat people very badly, and so on, you harm, you hurt, you deceive, you're filled with jealousy, deception, etc. You need to know you haven't yet loved your Maker, because you don't love what your Maker's made. You have a company, a big company, and mashallah, the owner of the company is your friend. Wouldn't you be proud of the growth of that company every time you see something connected to that company somewhere, even if it's just a truck passing with that little logo? You would be so excited, right? To say, hey, that's my friend's company, man, the biggest company. You know, we were in school together. Today he's the richest man in Australia. You would be so excited, right? Even if he didn't share his billions with you, you'd still be happy, right? Wallahi, that's a sign of connection, because you're friends. You're connected to anything connected to your friend. When you make the Maker himself your friend, you become automatically connected to everything the same Maker has made.